Good morning, everyone. How is everyone today? It's the Terminator here, and when nature calls, no matter what the weather's like, this is what happens, and this is where we're going. Look at this. Look what's falling around me. It is winter wonderland out here. Snow coming down, but it's time for me to go around my cabin. You can see it's snowing. And there's my addition. It's all closed in. Got my walls up. Got to do a little more work to it. Hopefully by Christmas we moved in. And I'll show you a little more here of what I'm doing. A little bit at a time. I'm only a one person, but I'm working away. My husband helps me the best way he can. But you know what? In this cold weather, nature calls, and this is where I'm headed. This is our lovely little outhouse that I use all winter long, but maybe not for long. Take care, stay safe, and God bless. Terminator from my crooked little homestead.